So, hi guys, today we are going to be making shampoo slime. So obviously all you need is obviously something to mix it with, something to put it in, and you need some any shampoo, any talcum powder, so baby powder, and any toothpaste. So yeah, I've already put this in and I'll show you how much I put in. It don't matter how much you put in, just don't put like a really big amount, like not really big. So I just did that much. Yeah. And I found this on YouTube as well, so I hope stay tuned with this. And then you just mix it in. If you want colour, you can put it in after. And after you put your colour in, you don't have to. If you don't want to, you add some talcum powder. Well, not some old, so I won't say some, but you know what I mean. I'll show you how much I put it in, but it won't be the most I put in. That much so far. Then you'll just like lift it up a bit and then put it on and then just mix it in. Keep mixing it in until it like gets a bit hard, and even put more until it like gets a bit hard, and then you'll obviously, yeah. Just keep on mixing it in. I don't know if I'm a really big fan of shampoo slime, I don't know, but we're gonna find out. Oh, I put lots in, but I don't care, because of how much you need. Hasn't worked yet, but might take a couple of times. Should work. This don't work. It's a real rip-off. This is what I found on YouTube, so I don't know if it's true or not. So. Just gonna quickly wash my hands, I'll come back, just wait there. So I've washed my hands, guys, and now, yeah. Now we're just gonna get it all, yeah. Just put it on the spoon, how much you have, whatever, and squeeze it. Add a bit of toothpaste to it and mix it. And keep on adding toothpaste until it gets softer. Need it at the moment. It's more like a clay than a slime though when you do it all. You can add colour at first, but if you're adding colour, I'd recommend using it after you put the shampoo in. Keep on adding, obviously, like toothpaste until it gets the softest you want it, but don't add loads and loads because it might get watery. So I'm going to add a little tiny bit more into it. It might it's a slime, but it's like more of a clay than slime, but then it's not, if you get what I mean. I just need a colour for it. So you don't add too much because then it will get very sticky. And then you might have to add more talcum powder. I'm just going to add a bit more talcum powder. But it's all some like in my bowl, so. If you want to add colour, you can add colour. Don't get me wrong, don't always have to copy me. And I kind of like this, but if you don't like it, you can say you don't like it. Like, it's your opinion, not mine. So, yeah, but I'm not done yet. I like it. And I'm done. Now it's there. Okay, let me show you what it looks like after I've washed my hands. Okay, right there. So it's more like a clay than a slime, like I've already told you, but it's still slime. Here mine is. But obviously I said you can add colour if you want to, but you don't have to. Yeah. So yeah. Comment if you want me to do more of these videos making slime. Bye.